Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make some super easy Kool-Aid cupcakes. It's a basic recipe that you can add Kool-Aid with to make any flavour you like. So to start off with, we're going to need 100 grams of caster sugar and 100 grams of self-raising flour, and make sure you sieve these. You don't want any lumps or clumps or anything in this. And then to this I'm going to add 100 grams of margarine or butter and 1 beaten egg, and then I'm just going to mix all this together. Some people like to add all these different separate ingredients, but I just bung it all in and mix it, hope for the best, and it usually comes out fine. Alternatively, you can put the margarine in the egg, mix that together, and then add the dry ingredients slowly. Doesn't really make much a difference in my opinion. If it is a bit thick, you can add a tiny bit of milk, but most of the time you don't need it. This is meant to be kind of like a thick recipe. It's not meant to be like a runny one. So once that's all mixed, we're going to add the Kool-Aid. You only need a small amount of this, so about, I don't know, quarter of a teaspoon, I think I used. If it's one of the milder flavours, you might want to add a bit more. But I was using the tropical punch one, which is kind of a bit tangy, so I just used a quarter of a teaspoon. I'm just going to fully mix this, and then it's time to bake. Now this mixture, it makes 6 large cupcakes. If you use the smaller cases, it makes a few more. I don't know how many more because I very rarely use that size. I like the big cupcakes like this size. They're kind of more like muffin size, but if I have a cupcake, it's got to be this size. So it makes about 6 of these. So if you double the recipe, you can actually make a whole dozen. The smaller ones, like I say, I don't know how many it makes. You might be able to get a dozen out of that. If not, it's probably about 10. So I'm going to split this into 6 and then pop that in the oven for about 20 minutes on gas mark 5, which is 190 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure Fahrenheit. And once they're done and cooled, you're ready to eat them. Or you can decorate them. But they taste fine by themselves, but you can decorate them however you want. I like to just do a really easy kind of swirl of buttercream. You can use store-bought, make your own. Doesn't matter, as long as it tastes good. I also top these off with a little icing decoration that I made earlier. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.